Truck owners and off-roaders are serious about their lights. Well, so is Oracle, and it shows. The Vega Compact Off-Road Series LED pod lights are going to ensure that you're ready whenever you need to light up the dark. The Vega series utilizes high-quality OSRAM LED chips. With more light output at a lower price, they're a smart choice for adventurers seeking an edge in lighting. The lights are IP69K rated, ensuring that your lights can withstand the toughest environmental challenges. And with CAE analysis optimizing lens optics and thermal dynamics, you can expect nothing short of intense and reliable illumination. So where does the name Vega come from? Well, it's the brightest star in the northern sky, and it's a symbol of brilliance. And just like Vega lit up the night for navigators, the Vega series is going to light up your path on any adventure. The Vega 20-watt series boasts a staggering 2,000 raw lumens, while the 40-watt series bumps it up to an impressive 4,000 raw lumens. Both series come with focused spotlight capabilities, projecting light over 1,000 feet. Crafted with a powder-coated aluminum housing and featuring a 5-year replacement warranty, these lights are built to last. And with an angled lens design and a horizontally symmetrical beam pattern, you can mount these lights any way you want without compromising any performance. The Vega series offers optional interchangeable lens covers for a customizable look, so you can easily switch between white or amber with no problem at all. And if your state requires it, they also offer these really cool blackout lens covers. If you want to transform your off-road experience, you should check out the Oracle Vega Compact Off-Road Series LED pod lights at oraclelights.com.